In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove color from an image using Canva. Whether you're looking to achieve a sleek black and white look, or you're simply experimenting with graphic designs, knowing how to transform the colors in your images can be an incredibly useful skill. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to give any of your images a distinct monochrome style with just a few simple clicks. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Canva document. If you already have Canva up and running, navigate to the specific document where you want to work with your image. If you're starting a new project, just open Canva and create a new design. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the transformations we'll be doing in a moment. Once you're in, locate the image you'd like to work on. When you've found it, you'll want to select this image by clicking on it. Once selected, head over to the Edit option. This is typically found on the toolbar at the top of the Canva editing interface. Editing is where the fun begins. It's where you have the power to change the look and feel of your image. Now, to remove the color, we're going to use a feature called duotone. You might be wondering, what is duotone? It's a creative way to apply two colors to your image, giving you the flexibility to mix and match shades. However, to remove color altogether, we need to customize these tones. After you click on Duotone, look for the Custom option, which allows you to access a range of settings you can tweak for your desired effect. Here's the key. You'll want to set the highlights to white and the shadows to black. Doing so effectively strips out the colors, rendering your image into black and white. It's important to also ensure that the intensity is set to 100. Intensity controls how strong the duotone effect appears on your image. By maxing this out, you ensure that your alterations are fully applied. Adjusting these settings might seem daunting at first, but with a few tries, you'll discover just how intuitive and powerful Canva's tools can be. Once you've completed these steps, you're done. Your image should now appear in stunning black and white, highlighting details and contrasts that couldn't be seen before. From here, you can continue editing or incorporate it into your design as needed. Remember, using duotones creatively can add a professional flair to your visuals. And there you have it, a straightforward way to strip color from your images with a few strategic clicks in Canva. Give it a try with different photos to see how monochrome treatment can transform your designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time, happy designing.